an equation that is 5y equals 20. We have 8x plus 3y plus 7z equals 60, and 9x plus negative 2y plus 9z equals 12. So we have 3 equations and 3 unknowns. And is this thinking in OneNote? Yes. Okay, good. So we're going to write this in a matrix form. And hopefully it looks familiar to what we did a week ago. Okay. So here's a bracket. This column is going to be X, columns Y, this is Z, and then this is your number. Okay. So we have 0, 8, 9, 5, 3, negative 2, 0, 7, 9, 20, 60, 12. That makes sense? So the first column is all in front of X. Second one is in front of Y. Third is in front of Z. Okay. We could also write this where we have 0, 5, 0, 8, 3, 7, 9, negative 2, 9 times X, Y, Z equals 20, 60, 12. That look familiar from last week, where we had stiffness matrix times times our displacement values equals the load matrix. Okay. Yeah. So you take a series of equations, put them in matrix form, either this way or this way, and you can solve. How did we solve this for X, Y, and Z last week? We just basically inverted this to the -1 and times by that, or take this and divide by that, right? Okay. So you have 2 ways to look at it. That we've done this, we just basically took this and divided by that. Or here, if you have the matrix, we're going to use what we call reduced row echelon form, RREF. So if we call this matrix C, then it's RREF of C. And this one, if I call this a U matrix, U was in this A, in this B, this is A to the -1 times B. So either way you do it, you're going to get the same answer. See that okay, Sue? So why don't you open up MATLAB, and can you make me 3 matrices, A, B, and C? And we're going to solve it. Okay, so open up MATLAB. I want 3 matrices, A, B, and C, where A is this, B is over here, and this is your C matrix. Okay, because we're going to solve it both ways. Make sure you understand how to do this. This would have helped you in physics too. You got to keep plugging and chugging, right? All right, let me open up MATLAB. All right, new script. TLC, clear all, close all, and make your matrices. I'll do A first. Let me put this here and this one. Cool. So bracket 0, 5, 0, 3 dots. Then we got 8, 3, 7, 3 dots. Those 3 dots might, oh yeah, you need a space there. And then 9, -2, 9. You could do semicolons too. Yep. So you could put a semicolon after 0 here and write these, semicolon after 7 and write them. Okay. Or, wait, actually, no, you do. I think you do need semicolons still. Yeah. Yeah. So the semicolon tells you to go down to the next row, right? You could also write this in one line too. I like to put the dots because it makes my eyes better. B would be what? 20, semicolon, 60, semicolon, 12. And then C is, maybe I'll do this one, 0, 5, 0, 20. Then it's 8, 3, 7, 60. And then 9, -2, 9, 12. All right, cool. Everyone got this now? All right, and Joe kind of got ahead of this game. If you type RREF of C without a bracket and then run it, and let me save week 6. Man, some of you only have a few weeks left in this college. Week 6 review. And then change, and then have it spit to your command window. And when you do that, look at that. If you type RREF of C, it should give you a matrix that's 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. What the hell does that mean? Yeah. X is 32, Y is 4, Z is -32. Pretty cool, huh? Okay. Now, how do we do this the other way? Well, solution equals A to the -1 times B. And then I think if you hit F5, it'll run.